Tired of ACs that don't fit sliding windows? You're in the right place. Welcome to the channel. Today we're showing you the top 5 best air conditioners for sliding windows that actually work. Stay cool, save space, and check the links in the description to grab your perfect match easily. The number 5 product on our list is Profile Window Air Conditioner. Struggling to find an AC that fits sliding windows without blocking light or airflow? The GE Profile Clearview Window Air Conditioner solves that with a full window view design. Yes, your window still opens. Perfect for our top 5 best air conditioners for sliding windows list. It's ultra-quiet, only 40 dB and 34% more energy efficient thanks to its inverter technology. Setup is smart too. Its flex-depth frame adjusts to various wall thicknesses, creating a secure, seamless fit. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you control it via smartphone, Alexa, or Google Assistant, giving you peace of mind and convenience. Compared to bulky, noisy window units, this feels like a premium, future-ready upgrade. Downsides? It's pricier, but worth it for those seeking efficiency, style, and quiet comfort. If you're serious about beating the heat with elegance and ease, this is a smart, satisfying choice. Links in the description. Check it out. Number 4 is Antarctic Window Air Conditioner. Did you know some air conditioners can cool your room without blocking your window or drowning out your thoughts? The Antarctic Window Air Conditioner is a refreshing upgrade and a clear standout in our top 5 best air conditioners for sliding windows. Its smart saddle-style design keeps your view and natural light intact while pushing the noisy compressor outside, dropping sound levels to a peaceful 45 dB. With 12,000 BTUs, it cools rooms up to 550 SQ-bit fast. Ideal for bedrooms, apartments, or home offices. You get 6 modes, 3 fan speeds, and 4-way airflow control to dial in your comfort. Plus, it installs easily. No brackets, no stress. Compared to clunky traditional units, this one feels sleek, modern, and thoughtfully designed. While it's slightly larger in shape, the quiet, comfort, and ease it brings make it a smart choice worth considering for real-world use. The third one on our list is Honeywell Window Air Conditioner. Ever wonder why your room stays hot even with the AC blasting? The problem might not be power, it's placement and circulation. That's where the Honeywell Window Air Conditioner earns its spot in the top 5 best air conditioners for sliding windows. With a compact size and lifted vent design, it delivers surprisingly effective airflow for spaces up to 250 SQ, making it ideal for bedrooms, studios, or small living areas. The 6,000 BTU performance feels stronger than expected, and with whisper-quiet operation at just 51 dB, it won't disrupt your sleep or Zoom calls. You get 4 modes: auto, cool, fan, and dry, plus energy-saving features like eco mode and a 24-hour timer. Compared to louder, bulkier models, this one feels simple, efficient, and thoughtfully built. Downsides, it's not for large rooms, but for compact spaces, needing peace and precision, it's a smart, satisfying choice. On number 2 is Keystone Window Air Conditioner. Did you know many compact ACs struggle to cool small rooms efficiently yet still spike your energy bills? The Keystone Window Air Conditioner changes that story, earning its place in our top 5 best air conditioners for sliding windows thanks to its balance of smart performance and real comfort. At 5,000 BTUs, it's perfect for smaller spaces, bedrooms, nurseries, or cozy offices up to 150 SQs, and it runs impressively quiet at just 49 dB. That means peaceful sleep and uninterrupted relaxation. What sets it apart? The smart remote adjusts based on your actual room temperature, not just where the unit is. With 3 fan speeds, 3 modes, a programmable timer, and built-in dehumidifier, it feels far more advanced than its size suggests. It's not built for large areas, but for compact comfort. It's a reliable, energy-saving pick, thoughtful, quiet, and efficient. Just what you've been looking for. Now moving to the last one is LG Window Air Conditioner. What if I told you powerful cooling could actually be quiet enough to sleep through? The LG Dual Inverter Window Air Conditioner is a total game changer and easily lands a spot in our top 5 best air conditioners for sliding windows. While most ACs roar like a jet, this one whispers at just 44 dB in sleep mode. It cools medium rooms up to 400 SQ effortlessly. And thanks to LG's dual inverter tech, it's up to 25% more energy efficient than standard Energy Star models, saving money and stress. With the LG ThinQ app, you can control everything remotely or via voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Setup is smooth, airflow is customizable with 4-way deflection, and even after power outages, it restarts on its own. Downsides? It's premium PED, but for those craving smart control, whisper quiet nights, and real efficiency, it's a top-shelf choice you won't regret. The clear winner is the LG Window Air Conditioner, offering ultra-quiet operation, smart controls, energy efficiency, and powerful cooling, making it the smartest, most reliable choice in the top 5 best air conditioners for sliding windows. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best air conditioner for sliding window. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more video. Thank you.